Okay, we're back on the main page of the application, and I'm going to show you how I have coded that particular invitation. It's the first of several invitations that I'll be showing you. Now, I have the index.php file, and all that I've done to this file is to add this single line, which is just a regular link, and I'm going to my Canvas page / invitation.php. That's the file that I'm going to that will create that invitation. And here's the text for the link. Invite your friends so that they can share their pics. And you'll see here's the text here on the link. So the link goes to invitation.php. And let's take a look at that file. Now, this is a fairly common type of file for supporting a Facebook app. It's got the same things that I have on other files, the config.php, the facebook.php. I have the code that gets me to the Facebook object, and I have here the code that gets me to the user. Because in this case, I do want a login because I want the person issuing the invitation, I need that person to have been logged in. I have the dashboard and so forth, all these things down here. And now I have the request form. This is a Facebook element. This is the entire Facebook element here. And there are two parts to it. The request form contains within it, in this case, a multi-friend selector. And let me just add this. So it's indented so that you can see it. The request form has several attributes. And the action is where we're coming back to, index.php, how you're posting it. It is an invitation, and I give it a type so that I know. And here is the content of the invitation. This is the string that the invitee will see on the invitation. So the text that was on the link on my first page is what the inviter sees for the link. This, in the content, is what the invitee sees. Then the FB multi-friend selector is a Facebook interface element that produces that invitation selector that had a number of friends of mine with their images, if they exist, and then I can go through and select them. Let's go back and do that again. I can go back and select them from there and choose to send the invitation to them. So when the multi-friend selector loads, I can select one or two, however many I want. I can also come here and start typing the name of a friend, but in this case I'm usually using this ability to select the people with their names and their images here. And then when I'm done, I can send the invitation, which will include that content string. So this is how I use the multi-friend selector.